Okay, now let's talk about animating still images. Okay, so I want to close this and find my images. Okay, here is one image. Let me zoom out. 80, 78, 79, 81, 82. Okay, let's see. These are all just images, pictures, not videos. Okay, so in Adobe Premiere, there is always this motion and position scale. These functions are already installed, so you don't have to install or add extra thing. It's just in there. Okay, position is like you can animate towards right side or up, down, and scale is like zoom in, zoom out, and so on, and rotate. So let's start. Okay, here is, I'm going to place my playhead in the beginning of the picture, and then okay, position, so, and at the end I am going to change okay, like so it will disappear. Okay, play. Okay, now in this picture I want to do some scaling. Okay, it starts from 100%, and then at the end I want it to be like this. Okay, let's see. Okay, and now in this picture let's use the rotation function. Okay, and at the end like this. Okay, and in this picture let's make opacity 100%. So click here, click here to make keyframe, and then at the end let's, okay, it, as you can see, it creates automatically this keyframe. In the beginning you can create, and at the end it creates automatically. Okay, so these are the basic rotation or like position motion things. Okay, in this picture let's scale. Let's start from 300, and then at the end 100. Okay, let's play every animation that I made. Zooming out, rotating, decreasing opacity and zooming out from the peak. Okay, here's how you animate your still images, even your videos.